Hey everyone, welcome back with Sao 2025. If you've just updated ComfyUI and you're staring at a module not found error, no module named ComfyUI, don't panic. This usually happens because the update added new dependencies that your local environment hasn't installed yet. Here is the quick fix. First, let's get your Python environment up to speed. Navigate to your main ComfyUI directory, the one containing the Python embedded folder. Click the address bar at the top, type cmd, and hit enter. In the terminal window, paste the following command and hit enter. Python embedded /python.exe pip install r ComfyUI requirements.txt. This forces ComfyUI's internal Python to scan for and install any missing libraries required by the core update. After the update finished, the error will be gone, and ComfyUI will be able to start. Now, if you are using the ComfyUI Wan Video Wrapper, you might run into a second error. Wan Video Model object has no attribute diffusion model. This is a version mismatch between the wrapper and the new ComfyUI core. To fix this, open ComfyUI Manager. Click Custom Nodes Manager, search for ComfyUI Wan Video Wrapper, click Update, then restart your ComfyUI. As you can see, the errors are gone and the workflow is running smoothly. If this helped you get back to creating, drop a like and subscribe for more quick ComfyUI fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.